Hey there, cigar fans. It's time for another Cigar 101 lesson. In this video, we're going to learn about a threat to both tobacco fields and your humidor, the tobacco beetle. Let's start with how to identify these bugs. Then we'll go over the necessary steps to protect your humidor. If you're picturing a big horned beetle making a meal out of your cigars, allow us to put your mind at ease. These beetles are small, measuring only 2 or 3 millimeters in length. That being said, they can still do plenty of damage. So if you see this tiny brown insect anywhere in your humidor, you need to act fast. Here's what to do to save your cigars. It's important to remember that tobacco beetles are a tropical species. Their larvae won't even hatch at temperatures below 59 degrees Fahrenheit. That doesn't mean that cigar smokers living in colder climates are off the hook. If you're keeping your humidor at the recommended 70 degrees with 70% humidity, you're also cultivating the ideal climate for these beetles. However, this need for warmth is also the tobacco beetle's weakness. If you're sure you've found a tobacco beetle among your cigar collection, take the following steps immediately. First, empty your humidor, placing each cigar in its own plastic bag that zips closed. Then, after ensuring each bag is tightly closed, place all the bags in your freezer. Before we proceed, a quick note on freezing cigars. Freezing cigars, especially valuable ones, isn't something that most people want to do. To be clear, we don't recommend storing your cigars in a freezer in most instances. Now, back to it. While your cigars are in the freezer, clean out your humidor carefully, making sure there are no beetles, eggs, or larvae. After 72 hours, move the bagged cigars from your freezer to your fridge. After 24 hours in the refrigerator, you should be all clear. The cigars can now go back into the humidor. Be sure to keep checking back to make sure there's no new signs of beetles, just to be safe. Hopefully, these pests are something you don't have to deal with in your own cigar collection, but if they do show up, you'll know how to handle it. That does it for this video, and we'll see you next time on Best Cigar Prices Cigar 101.